Delhi gears up for the grand finale. Aam Aadmi Party releases full manifesto.
15 केजरीवाल की गारंटियां जारी कर रहे हैं जो कि अगले 5 साल के अंदर पूरी की जाएंगी।
Kejriwal vows to clean up Yamuna.
हमने कहा था यमुना साफ करेंगे। हर दिल्ली वाले का भी सपना है और ये मेरा भी सपना है।
Shah renews Aapada attack.
अवैध आमदनी वाली पार्टी का नाम है आम आदमी पार्टी।
Clash of freebies in Delhi. The battle for Delhi is on. State of war, Delhi. That is our top focus on 6 p.m. Prime.
Less than a week to go for Delhiites to come out and vote, and you're once again seeing the stage set for a freebie face-off. Which political party which will Delhiites choose when they're all offering essentially free doles to different vote banks? Arvind Kejriwal today launched the Aam Aadmi Party's manifesto. A number of announcements were already made, but Kejriwal listed out 15 guarantees aimed clearly to woo women, aimed to woo youth, and of course there was all of the free water, free electricity, which the Aam Aadmi Party reiterated in their manifesto.
तो मेरे साथ दोनों हाथ उठाइए, विजय के संकल्प की मुट्ठी भींचकर बोलिए, आदरणीय राहुल गांधी जी, कार्यकर्ताओं का अभिवादन।
With just over a week to go for Delhi to cast the ballot, Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal released the party's 15 guarantees in the capital.
आज हम 15 गारंटी जारी कर रहे हैं। 15 केजरीवाल की गारंटियां जारी कर रहे हैं जो कि अगले 5 साल के अंदर पूरी की जाएंगी।
The Aam Aadmi Party's key guarantees focus on welfare schemes to the youth and women as well as a cleaner, better Delhi promise.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने पिछले कुछ दिनों में समय समय पे उनके नेताओं ने, उनके पार्टी के प्रवक्ताओं ने जगह जगह ये साफ कर दिया है कि उनकी सरकार बनेगी तो वो दिल्ली के सरकारी स्कूलों में फ्री शिक्षा बंद कर देंगे। उन्होंने साफ कर दिया है कि दिल्ली में मुफ्त बिजली बंद कर दी जाएगी। उन्होंने साफ कर दिया है कि मोहल्ला क्लिनिक दिल्ली में बंद कर दिए जाएंगे।
Promising employment opportunities, rupees 2100 to every woman, health treatment to all citizens above 60 years of age under the Sanjeevani Yojana. Kejriwal also vowed to waive off false water bills and ensure 24 hours water supply to residents. The former chief minister also promised roads as per European standards and vowed to clean up the Yamuna. For students, AAP promises free bus travel and a 50% metro concession. Kejriwal also officially announced that every priest and granthi will get 18,000 rupees a month.
तो सबसे पहली है रोजगार की गारंटी। दूसरी गारंटी है महिला सम्मान योजना। तीसरी गारंटी है संजीवनी योजना कि हमारे बुजुर्ग 60 साल से ऊपर होने पे उनको ये चिंता सताती है कि बीमार हो गए तो क्या होगा, चाहे उसे ये सरकारी अस्पताल में कराना पड़े चाहे प्राइवेट इलाज अस्पताल में कराना पड़े, उसका सारा खर्चा दिल्ली सरकार देगी।
The opposition mocked Kejriwal's guarantees, claiming his guarantees are a lie.
रोज नई घोषणा, रोज नए झूठ, रोज नए वायदे, इनके किसी भी प्रचार प्रसार में इन्होंने काम क्या किया है? 11 साल में क्या काम गरीबों के लिए किया, किसानों के लिए किया, बुजुर्गों के लिए किया, महिलाओं के लिए किया? वो 11 साल में कोई काम नहीं बता रहे। मैं करूंगा 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 करते जा रहे हैं। दिल्ली की जनता कब तक सहन करेगी, कब तक वो विश्वास करेगी?
नरेंद्र मोदी जी के
On Sunday, Home Minister Amit Shah renewed the BJP's Sheesh Mahal attack against Kejriwal while campaigning in the capital.
उन्होंने कहा था हम सरकारी बंगला भी नहीं लेंगे और भाइयों बहनों इतना बड़ा 51 करोड़ का शीश महल बनाया, 4 बंगले तोड़कर एक बंगला बनाने का काम एक केजरीवाल जी ने किया।
Meanwhile, a fresh Ambedkar flashpoint erupted. On January 26, an Ambedkar statue was vandalized in Amritsar. The accused climbed up the Dalit icon statue and defaced it with a hammer. While the Punjab government has condemned it and arrested the accused, protests have erupted in Amritsar and Delhi. The BJP is accusing Kejriwal of insulting the Dalit icon.
इन्होंने कहा था उप मुख्यमंत्री बनाएंगे, नहीं बनाया। राज्यसभा में एक भी दलित सांसद नहीं बनाया। दो इनके दलित मंत्रियों ने इस्तीफा दिया कि ये लोग आम आदमी पार्टी की सोच दलित विरोधी है। और यही नहीं, इन्होंने 500 बच्चों को 5 सालों में विदेश में पढ़ने के लिए भेजना था, दलित समाज के 5 बच्चों को भी नहीं भेजा है।
And its own India ally, the Congress, is questioning if Arvind Kejriwal is anti-national.
क्या देश के खिलाफ चलते हैं चाल केजरीवाल? क्या सत्ता की भूख मिटाने के लिए देश को धोखा दे रहे हैं केजरीवाल? सचमुच में क्या तुम देशद्रोही हो? सचमुच में क्या तुम खलनायक हो? क्या नायक का सिर्फ मुखौटा हो?
Clearly, the three-way fight for the national capital is escalating. Bureau Report, India Today.
So the Aam Aadmi Party today released their manifesto. You saw the details of the freebies there. They're not the only party doing it. The BJP, the Congress are also competing in offering more freebies, more money, more doles, more schemes for the people of Delhi. Let's break it down for you. How are these three parties wooing different vote banks, beginning with the youth vote? The Aam Aadmi Party has promised employment. The BJP too has said 50,000 government jobs. The Congress is directly offering money. Part of their guarantee schemes, they're saying we'll give 8,500 rupees for unemployed youth. Now the woman vote. The Aam Aadmi Party is saying 2,100 rupees will be given to every woman. The BJP has upped that by 400 rupees. They're saying we'll give 2,500 rupees to every woman. The Congress in their guarantee also has said 2,500 to every woman. So the BJP and Congress there giving more than the Aam Aadmi Party, which has already, remember, rolled out this particular dole. Senior citizens, free healthcare, free treatment is what the Aam Aadmi Party is promising. Similarly, the BJP also promising free treatment. The Congress is saying we'll provide health insurance of 25 lakhs. Again, it's part of the guarantees that they put out. Now, other issues that are raised, the Aam Aadmi Party in their manifesto says we will clean the Yamuna River. They haven't been successful in doing it so far, but they're saying if we come back to power, we will ensure we do all we can to clean up the Yamuna. The BJP is talking about a riverfront development, much like the Sabarmati River in Delhi with the Yamuna riverfront development. Now, the Congress hasn't really mentioned anything so far because their guarantees don't really go into the river projects, etc. They promised other issues, which we'll get to. Now, let's talk about also what the Aam Aadmi Party has said today about scholarships for students abroad. Those who are studying abroad, the Aam Aadmi Party will provide scholarships for them. The BJP has countered this by saying we are announcing scholarships for children of drivers. The Congress, again, hasn't really mentioned anything on this. Then there is, of course, free water, free electricity, which the Aam Aadmi Party has promised. Interestingly here, the BJP hasn't really promised free electricity, but in their repeated communiques have said that we'll carry forward what the Aam Aadmi Party has done, effectively saying they too will provide free electricity. Now, besides that, there's an additional point of the BJP's, which is that they've also promised 2,500 rupees as pension for senior citizens. The Congress has also promised free electricity. Let's bring in our reporters on the ground, Piyush Mishra, who tracks the BJP for us closely. Ashutosh Mishra reporting on the Aam Aadmi Party strategy here. Ashutosh, this is a well-tested formula strategy for the Aam Aadmi Party. Free water, free electricity. They are upping the ante. But having said that, so are the other parties, Ashutosh. So what really is Arvind Kejriwal's strategy here? Freebies alone is not going to do it this time.
Well, not exactly. He's promising that what he gonna give. In fact, the new strategy that what I noticed for last couple of days in the campaigning, he has been focusing that how the people of Delhi has been able to save 25,000 rupees per month. And his calculation that says that because of no electricity, zero bills, perhaps using less than 200 units and 50% subsidy on using less than 400. So that's how a family probably saving around 4,000 to 5,000 rupees a month. Subsequently, in the government education, mostly people, the rickshawala, the lower class, the lower middle class, the poor class, if they have two children sending to government school for the better education, looking compared to the private fees, this is how they are saving around 10,000 rupees. The calculation, he also says that because of free water, that also saves them 2,000 rupees per month. And because of the free bus ride, the public transport ride free for these women, that also saves the working class, those maids or the different sector of working women, perhaps saving 2,000 rupees. His calculation is now emphasizing that so far 25,000 rupees per month we have already delivered. And what he promising, that perhaps if there are two women in a family, if he comes to power, there will be 4,200 rupees directly coming income for every family. Subsequently, free treatment for the senior citizens across the hospital, be the private or the government hospital, that would also see huge money. So he's now focusing that, look, what only the promises not I'm making, but these promises since already been delivered for the years, and you have seen the benefit of that after electing Aam
So
Aadmi
that's
Party,
how
they have
essentially
been
he's
spending that
trying
amount.
to differentiate from the others who are also raising the issue of freebies. Let me bring in Piyush to understand what the BJP strategy is here. Piyush, constantly the BJP is reminded about one thing, that Prime Minister Modi said that they will not fall for the freebie trap. They will not offer freebies to the people because it's dangerous economics for any state. And yet here you have the BJP very much competing with the Aam Aadmi Party on freebies.
Well, absolutely, Akshita. But at the same time, BJP is not calling them freebies. BJP is calling them social welfare schemes. And that is what we have heard during the multiple press conferences where various BJP leaders have claimed that the existing social welfare schemes in Delhi will continue. At the same time, BJP has also promised 2,500 rupees to women in Delhi. Why? Yeah, these promises, these freebies, those have been announced during the elections of Maharashtra or about Chhattisgarh, or in fact also in Jharkhand. We have seen that this has become a short formula of a victory. Yeah. In Maharashtra, Ladki Behna Yojana did wonders for NDA. In Jharkhand, the earlier government of JMM retained back because of the Mahila Samman, the Ladki Samman Yojana, which they had announced here in Jharkhand. At the same time, Mehtari Yojana in Chhattisgarh also did wonders for BJP, and that is why we are seeing how these freebies are being announced. BJP is also saying that the kind of social welfare
this is what essentially is being fought, in Delhi over. The narrative is freebies. There's no question of development, what will happen to Delhi, none of that. All the political parties are indulging in this. Thanks very much, Piyush Ashutosh, for joining us with those details. Why do I say it's unfortunate? Let's break down for you the cost of this freebie culture in Delhi. We're looking at really the subsidy budget for 2024-2025. These are the estimates. The free power scheme, the estimated cost has shot right up if you compare it to 2015 to now. Right now, the free power scheme alone is estimated to cost 3,600 crores. The free water scheme, 500 crores. Remember that these are schemes already in practice in Delhi. So in 2024-25, with the booming population, you're going to see those numbers only increase. The financial aid for women, which is currently 2,100 rupees for every woman, based on the Aam Aadmi Party's promise, the estimated cost of that to the 2024-25 budget is a whopping 4,560 crore rupees. Just imagine what that number could actually do for the transformation of Delhi. Free transport for women, estimated cost is 440 crores, a scheme that you're seeing becoming very popular in the election cycle in almost every single state. Besides that, other subsidies that are currently in practice in Delhi, free uniforms for students, the estimated cost of that is 247 crores. Electric buses, over 500 of them being brought in, the cost of that 105 crores. You combine these and a few more subsidies that the Aam Aadmi Party has currently in place in Delhi, the estimated budget, subsidy budget for 2024-25 is a whopping 11,000 crores. I'll reiterate, just imagine what 11,000 crores can actually do for Delhi. Imagine how it can transform the Yamuna or the air pollution crisis. It's not just, unfortunately, in Delhi. We've been seeing this in state after state. So let me break down for you the cost of freebies in different states. In Maharashtra, 2.2% of the state GDP at 960 billion rupees. That's the cost of freebies in Maharashtra. This is data as of 2024. In Karnataka, data of 2023 suggests 1.9% of the state GDP actually goes on freebies. That's 537 billion rupees. In Telangana, 2.2% of the state GDP, 352 billion rupees. Again, this is 2023. So expect that number has gone up because in these states, you're seeing more guarantees, freebies that have been offered to the people since 2023 to now. Now, in Delhi, the last 1 week when I've been on ground speaking to Delhiites on the issue of freebies, I sought to find out what they think about it. And these are largely middle class, upper middle class Delhiites that I spoke to. All of them frustrated, angry, and don't know what to do considering every political party has resorted to this type of politics. Let's get you some of the voices from the average Delhiite.
कैलिबर को बनाइए, ना कि आप उनको डेवलप करिए कि जिससे वो कुछ काम कर सके, ना कि फ्री में बांटा। उस फ्री से मिडिल क्लास सबसे ज्यादा पिसता है और जो लोअर क्लास है वो काम करना छोड़ देता है और उससे क्राइम रेट भी हाई होगा। जब आप काम नहीं करोगे तो आप क्राइम करोगे।
पर क्या आपको लगता है कि जितने भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज है वो सब सेम चीज ऑफर कर रहे हैं, कुछ अलग ऑल्टरनेटिव जैसा नहीं है? लगता है
देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि जैसे ये जो स्टार्ट किया ना, ये केजरीवाल जी ने स्टार्ट किया फ्रीबीज। केजरीवाल जी ने उस फॉर्मूले पे 10 साल से वो सत्ता में है, ठीक है जी। अब सब उसको अडॉप्ट करते जा रहे हैं। सबका ध्यान है फ्री बीज पे। एक पार्टी ने शुरू की, सब उस पे शुरू हो गए हैं। सबको फ्री दे रहे हैं, बिजली फ्री दे रहे हैं, पानी फ्री दे रहे हैं। बिजली फ्री और पानी फ्री दे के हम लोगों पे सारा बाहर डाल रहे हैं। हर चीज में जीएसटी, हर चीज में टैक्स। हम इतना इनकम टैक्स
आपसे लेते हैं और उनको देते हैं।
हमारे दर्द को पूछिए ना।
आप इंडस्ट्रीज में जाओ, ओखला इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट में मेरी फैक्ट्री है। आज 24 रुपए यूनिट रेट है उसका। कितना? 24 रुपीज पर यूनिट। आप 1 किलोमीटर नोएडा जाओ, नोएडा इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट में रेट क्या है? 4 रुपया 70 पैसे पर यूनिट।
इतना
डिफरेंस। आप बताओ, तो ये सारा 200 यूनिट आप फ्री दे रहे हो, तो हम दे रहे हैं ना, तुम क्या दे रहे हो?
मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि जो फ्री की रेवड़ियाँ बांट रहे हैं ना, ये मिनिस्टर मंत्री अपनी तनख्वाह लेना बंद कर दे, उस फंड से पब्लिक के लिए कुछ करे। ये तो डायरेक्ट खरीद रहे हमारे पैसे, हमारे टैक्स पेयर हम है, हमारे पैसे से आप वोट खरीद रहे हो। खुले आम कोर्ट भी देख रहा है कि 2,500 देंगे वोट 2 में।
You can say that really to stay in Delhi is a very difficult job nowadays. You see that traffic jam. You see that no other facilities are there. They are doing for that electricity free, water free. What is that? What is the use for that one?
No use. Nothing in Delhi.
Yeah, they are taking from the middle class people and giving to the poor people. That is not the way. Yeah. They should do it everything equally.
Of the current government, what do you think of the work they've done? Are you happy with what's happened in the last few years?
Not much, little bit. Okay. Because every person needed some money. So this is the basic thing. Every person is giving money and money. Correct. Who is giving more money, he will win it.
Which is sad. You think the freebies is...
Of course, this is too sad.
We all are the taxpayers. Taxpayer means we want to see development.
Yeah, of course.
The politician and the present government. Present government means AAP government. AAP government is totally based on freeship. His chief minister and ministers has no value. Value means they don't want development in the capital. This is the capital. But the record of the world capitals, it is registered the most polluted capital of the world.
Yeah.
We want to ask our chief minister why it is so. We the taxpayers condemn the AAP government for his फ्री सीट।
मैं तो ये मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि दिल्ली से या पूरे इंडिया से मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि कोई भी सरकार कभी भी फ्री व्यवस्था नहीं करनी चाहिए। इतनी फ्री होनी चाहिए, माने बीजेपी हो या कांग्रेस हो, ये पॉलिटिकल जो है ना, ये अपना वोट बैंक के लिए ये लोग कर रहे हैं। ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए।
often, ma'am, that as voters, as the public, you're punished. If it's air pollution, you're punished with restrictions. If it's freebies, you're punished because your money is being used to fund these freebies. Do you feel that that is an issue that must be addressed?
Well, I don't know about freebies, etc., because, you know, I'm talking from a certain class where we pay our taxes. Yeah. So as a result, we want certain returns, right? Yeah. And that's not happening.
Whatever freebies they give, any of the party, they have to understand it's not their money. It's a tax money. There is no incentive for the taxpayer. They end up having a pothole. They end up having a bad air. They end up having a bad urbanization. Is a penalty to pay a tax. You are not incentivizing the people who are paying a tax. At least think about that.
When your money, and this is obviously your money, taxpayers' money, right, that's going for funding political parties, freebies, and their schemes, obviously, to bring them to power. I mean, it's not about what that money is used for, but do you feel that, you know, that money could have been used for infrastructure, that money could have been used for developing my area, and that doesn't happen?
Definitely. I definitely feel that all this system of we want to give 2,500 rupees, we want to give every party competing with that. It's like almost a bid. I think it's something that we don't support at all. For Delhi elections, there should be growth, there should be development. If you create growth opportunities, you will create employment, you automatically better the status of the people you want to work for. But don't keep distributing free things. You're just making them redundant. MCD doesn't have enough infrastructure to keep picking it up, cleaning the dhalhaus. We've been asking to close the dhalhaus. It's a mess. And totally, Akshata, I feel this should be, you know, when an MLA is coming to us for these elections and they want our participation, you want us to vote, someone should say that this is what we are going to do for you. आप हमें 2,500 rupees मत दीजिए, हमें एक promise तो दीजिए.
But do you feel also
safety का promise दीजिए, roads resurfacing का promise दीजिए, एक promise हमारे लिए भी करिए, हम भी, you know, we are also somewhere, we matter, we want to know whether we matter or not, or we are only meant to pay taxes. I want to understand that today. That what is our status? Do we have any importance? Or we are going to be just shunned as privileged people?
Yeah. And this privilege comes with a handicap, clearly.
But I think our condition is worst. They're at least heard, something's at least done.
जबरदस्त गड़बड़ है सारी हेराफेरी करके जीत जाते हैं लोग.
कुछ भी नहीं, रोडों का कोई प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं दूर हुई, चाहे वो केजरीवाल हो चाहे वो हो, हमारे लिए कोई नहीं है. ये गरीब गुप्ते के लिए सब कुछ है. बस उनको पैसा दे ही चलो, सब काम करी चलो.
फ्री में सब कुछ दे रहे हैं.
जो हमारा मीडियम तबके का जो है हम मर रहे हैं.
बीजेपी बोल रहे हैं कि हम इतना पैसे देंगे महिलाओं को, आप बोल रहे हैं कि इतना पैसा. अच्छा, आप तो हंस रहे हो, मजे क्यों?
क्या वो हर रोज देगा या हर महीने देगा?
जरूरत ही नहीं है हमें. जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं, उसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है हमको.
अच्छा,
जो वो देगा वो 5,000 दे, 10,000 दे, 3,000 दे, उसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है. क्योंकि जब हम खुद कमाते हैं, हमारा खुद का पैसा बचना चाहिए जिससे हम कमाते हैं. वो तो हम इतनी मेहनत से कमाते हैं और वो इतनी महंगाई करके उसको सब ठिकाने लगा देता है.
Do you think also on the issue of freebies, like sir mentioned, do you feel disappointed when every political party speaks of it?
I think they are needed because, yes, of course, the poor people are able to travel. They get electricity. They are very happy. And I'm also very happy. At least the electricity doesn't go. Our generators are lying idle.
We are okay with welfare. Freebies is money, but now it is a competitive thing.
Correct.
You know, between all parties. So who do you choose?
First they were criticized all the same thing.
First thing, वही जैसे statehood के लिए पहले बोलते हैं, हर चीज के लिए we want political parties to have a binding manifesto.
What about you, sir? What do you think of all this?
I think freebies are not required at all.
Okay.
Only education and health. Yes. When you are giving something to someone, you are not giving it out of your own pocket. It is basically a taxpayer's money. And somehow we are paying extra to subsidize something. Limit to healthcare. Give proper health care to each and every person, to those who require. Give proper education to the children. Let them go for higher studies, fund them. But not like this, somebody saying we will give you 2100, the other says 2500. Next somebody will say, I'll give you 10 crores and give me all the votes. This cannot happen.
Let's get you the latest updates coming in on the fight between the Haryana government and the Aam Aadmi Party over the Yamuna River. This comes after Arvind Kejriwal claimed that the Haryana government tried to poison the people of Delhi intentionally, claimed and put forth a very serious allegation of mass genocide. The Haryana Chief Minister, Saini, has now responded, saying we are ready to quality test the water, and that is the Aam Aadmi Party who is responsible for a poor distribution system. Let's play out for you what the Haryana Chief Minister has had to say on these allegations.
इसने तो वायदा किया था कि मैं ठीक करूंगा, इसने ये भी कहा था कि मैं यमुना को स्वच्छ करूंगा, और 28 नाले योजनाबद्ध तरीके से उसमें यमुना में डाल दिए इसने, न्यू डाल दिए कि मैं बच जाऊंगा कह के भी भाई यमुना का गंदा पानी है रहा, अभी हरियाणा दे रहा है, तो दूसरे पर आरोप लगा रहता है क्या कर रहा भाई, तय भी ठीक कर ले कुछ, इसके अंदर आरोप लगाना ही कोई वो है क्या? काम करिए, आरोप मत लगाइए। आरोप लगा करके भाज रहा, लोगों ने मन बना लिया वहां से, अब इसको बताएंगे, इसको सबक सिखाएंगे वहां के लोग।
Okay, let's round up for you all the big poll developments coming in from Poolbound Delhi. Arvind Kejriwal has accused the Haryana government of mixing poison in Yamuna River that flows from Haryana to Delhi. He claimed that BJP is using biological weapons to kill the people of Delhi. Prime Minister Modi will be kicking off his 3-day mega election campaign in the capital. Modi will spearhead the BJP's campaign with 3 rallies scheduled for January 29th, January 31st and February 2nd. As per a report by the Association for Democratic Reforms, Aam Aadmi Party gave maximum tickets to people with criminal records. AAP has allocated 63% of its tickets to candidates with criminal cases. Of these, 41% face serious charges. The Congress has fielded 41% of candidates with criminal records. The BJP has the lowest representation, 29%. Congress's New Delhi candidate Sandeep Dixit has filed a defamation case against Chief Minister Atishi and AAP leader Sanjay Singh. This after they alleged that Dixit had accepted crores of rupees from the BJP and conspired with BJP to sabotage AAP's chances in the upcoming elections. BJP is alleged that Arvind Kejriwal is misleading voters across constituencies, including New Delhi, where he's fighting, by orchestrating hoax calls that claim that their votes have been cancelled by the BJP.